Koenei te whakaahua o te hōpuni, ka tūpono ki te ai e ngā pirihimana I ngā tamariki Phillips.
For me, it's several things all combining, right? It's not that the tamariki were isolated, it's the fact that they were isolated and then moving constantly. So you don't even have the opportunity to sort of develop a style or a lifestyle because your environment's changing constantly.
He uri a tākuta Tania Cargo o Ngāpuhi me Ngāti Maru. Ko ia te tihi o ngā kai mātai hinengaro, tamariki Māori, mātua rawa o te motu. Ka mutu I noho ia ki te rohe o Waitomo, nā reira e mōhio ana ia ki taua hapori.
I guess the most important thing is that these tamariki have been found and safe from what we understand, well, physically safe, right? I guess there's a whole lot of agencies that will now need to be involved. It was heartening to hear that oranga tamariki have been preparing for this. It's also heartening to hear that that they have acknowledged that there are specialist services within oranga tamariki.
I can confirm that the children are settled and were settled last night. They are doing well under the circumstances and engaging with the staff supporting them. Going forward, I have an experienced and dedicated team of staff assigned to this. They are prepped and ready to respond to whatever needs these tamariki might have.
Ko Warwick Mōrehu, te kaiko mihana arohe mō waiareki me waikato ki oranga tamariki. E aki ana ia, kia tiakina I te tūmata iti o ngā tamariki.
E korere koe mō te taha tinana e pāna ki enei o ngā tamariki. E pewhi ana tā rātou taha wairua hei whakarite mā koutou o oranga tamariki.
He pai ngā tamariki I te rāpō. E ai ki oku kaimahi, e a kua tau ngā tamariki. Kua tau. So they're settled. And that's all I'll say around the kids. They are settled, they're comfortable. They are together.
We were also advised that we were likely to find firearms at the campsite, and we did. So our approach throughout yesterday, until such time as we recovered the remaining children safe and well, was cautious, and that was necessary.
Kātahi anō te kaiko mihana pirihimana a Richard Chambers, ka hoki mai ki Aotearoa rāwatahi ko te minita pirihimana.
We must not forget that these children have been living in the bush for 4 years. They are schooled in that environment, and we need to approach the scene very, very cautiously to ensure that nobody was harmed as we worked very, very hard to recover them safely.
Koenei te wāhi I pupuhia e ngā pirihimana I a Tom Phillips kia mate. E noho tōtara wāhi rua ana, tēnei hapuri I tēnei wā, ko e tihi kei te tautoko I ana mahi ki te tiaki I ana tamariki, ko e tihi atu, kaori whakae.
I want to say I am constrained in the amount of information I can share. The family court are actively managing this case, and we will comply with the directions they give us. I want to assure the community here in Waikato and also the wider public of New Zealand that my team in this region have been planning and preparing for the return of these tamariki from when they went missing.
This is complicated by the fact that there are going to be stories about this father. There are going to be lots of things in the media, lots of things that they will probably not have had access to. So I agree that it kind of needs to be a gentle reintegration into sort of technological New Zealand, if that's the way to think about it.
Ka mutu, ko te karere matua o tākuta Cargo, kia koro waitia ai tātou katoa I ngā tamariki, ki te manaaki me te aroha. Maioha Panapa, Aukaha.